Okay, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to look at writing numbers in words. So like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when do we use this? One example is when we write checks, we have to write down the words and the numbers. So here like that, we have a check, name, date, account number, and you have to write the number in words as well as the numeral 24 like that. And the reason why we do this is actually a safety feature. So someone doesn't come in and put like a 1 right here. They wouldn't be able to do that because there's not a 100 written there. So it's a safety feature that when you write a check, these two have to match. That's just one example when you use it. So we'll take a look at the rest. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Once we reach 20, it's 20-1, 20-2, all the way to 20-9. And so we say 30. Next one would be 31, 30-1, 30-2, etc., etc. So we got 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we say 200, 300, all the way to 900, 1,000, 2,000, all the way to 9,000. So let's write some examples here. Write the numerals for each number in words. So we say 31. So we got 31, 56, 56, 122, 122, 6,004. So we got 6,000 and then 4 units like that. 6,004. 9,976. So 9,976. And I want to comment here, after 1,000, there's a comma. So 6,000, comma, 9,000, comma, like that. And 98. 98. Excellent. Okay, so let's go to example 2. We're going to write the number in words for each numeral. So 71. So I'm doing this without looking at the top here. You want to have copied that in your notes, and you want to see if you can remember without looking at it. Like that. So 71, 71, like that. 8,000, so we got 8,000, comma, right, there's a comma there. 963, like that. Excellent. 457. Here we got 450-7. Just in case I forget here, right, where is it? So just a comment here. You see how there's 4, and here there's 14. 40 does not have a U. F-O-R. These ones are F-O-U-R, F-O-U-R. 40 does not have a U. So that's just a little trick to remember. So we got 8,000. Let's see here. We got 8,000, comma, 214. Perfect. All right, time for some practice. Write the numerals for each number in words. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the first question. Okay, we're back. So we got 18, 73, 92, 210, 436, 6,000, comma, right? So we got 6,643, 7,002, 555, 555, 2,000, comma, 33, 1,011, like that. Excellent. That easy. On to practice number 2. So here you want to write the number in words for each numeral. and try to do it without looking at the list of words. See what you remember, and then the ones you get stuck on, skip it, and then you can check the words after that. So go ahead and give this a shot. Okay, we're back. So we got 93. So we say 90-3. 147. We got 140-7. 6,000, comma, 122. 20-2. 4,000 dash comma 4,280-3. 525. So we got 500 20-5. 72. 70-2. 181. 80-1. And here we got 8,000, comma, 800, 80-8. Like that. Excellent. 9,000, comma, 100. 5,000, comma, 129. Excellent. And it's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.